Make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like and share. I am going to talk about better ways to open YouTube Studio Desktop on your Android phone. For those without computers, there is any easy way that you can use. So what you have to do is go to your Play Store in your phone and download this computer app Microsoft Edge, and make sure it's installed in your phone and sign in your account, and set it as a default browser in your phone so as to open the YouTube Studio Desktop. That also log in your YouTube Studio account, and you are good to go, and you can now upgrade your settings putting keywords, links and tags on your YouTube Studio using this app. Download it now and use it. After that, you have to type in youtubestudio.com in that app, and it will show this, and you would tap continue to the studio website. And if you don't have any account yet, you will sign in, and it will open the desktop studio that you can zoom it for better use, or if you have sharp eyes, you can use it like that. This app Microsoft Edge will allow you to open YouTube desktop site, and you will be able to customize your channel on your mobile phone, adding your links to your channel, keywords, tags, description, and this would improve your channel. This Microsoft Edge app will help those without computers try it, and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos.